Hello, I'm Salem_rants, and I'm going to fully introduce myself. I'm trying to figure out if I'm bisexual or lesbian. You can call me Salem or Sal. I go by she, her, or they, them. I am black and white. If you are racist or homophobic, you can leave the channel or leave your comments to yourself. I will not be revealing my age or name. I hope I can be famous one day. If you know me, do not reveal my identity, please. My caption will be swearing, but my text-to-speech will not be for now. It will be swearing, but in the future. If you are younger aged and cannot watch.
What the fuck is this shit, bro? And why her name like a fucking fish name? And bro, what the fuck, bro? She a bitch and making all that fucking goofy popping sound like maybe she can get a fucking ass life. And if you are watching this freaking video, then fuck off.